I'm a man on fire, walking through your street with one guitar, two kids and me. Only one desire that's left in me. On the whole damn world, come dance with me. Come dance with me.
Nice fish. It's videotaping right now.
Oh, cool. Sorry.
We'll get a picture of everyone.
Nate's got one too. Oh, shit.
Yeah, there you go.
They're easy now, you know what I mean? Oh, yeah. Big fish. You want to? I mean, we don't have to.
Just throwing that Excalibur lipless crank. Just another day on the water. Ain't that right, Jeffrey?
Another day for Cronky.
Ain't that right, Jeffrey?
Yep.
Look at this fin. It's just destroyed. You gotta tell somebody when you're...
Damn, his is pretty, man.
It's got a lot of color to him.
Gala.
Gala.
Mine's bigger.
Mine's bigger.
That Mississippi bass. Yeah, look at those spots on his
I know,
tail.
dude. That was tight, dude. Dude, yeah. Ain't that bad. Oh, it's a walleye. Hey, net this for me, will you? I'm gonna eat him. He's 15. I could probably flip him actually, Nate.
Now that I got the net, you might as well just let me.
It's kind of nice. Pretty. When I see these, I start seeing fillets. God, look how he got that hook. I mean, you couldn't hook him any better. You know?
What you catch them on?
Ski Reese, Lucky Craft.
About swam right there.
Hold up. Let's try it right now. Oh, like a pick up from the dock. Alright.
You videotaping this? Time to bring in that late night fish.
Yes, I'm seeing Jordan right now.
Yeah.
That's a pterodactyl, Jordan.
It's a pterodactyl, Jordan.
I'm a man on fire, walking through your street with one guitar and two dancing feet. Only one desire that's left in me. On the whole damn world to come dance with me. Oh, come dance with me. Over murder and pain, come set you free. Over heartache and shame, I wanna see your body.